Space architecture is an exciting field focused on designing habitats and systems that let humans live and work beyond Earth, on the Moon, Mars, and even in deep space. It blends advanced engineering, futuristic design, and space science to create environments that can withstand extreme temperatures, radiation, and low or zero gravity. From inflatable space stations to 3D printed Martian homes made from local soil, these designs go beyond mere survival. They aim to provide safety, comfort, and sustainability for astronauts and future space settlers. Every structure is carefully engineered to support long-term missions, helping humans thrive in environments far from home. As we prepare for interplanetary exploration and colonization, space architecture is shaping the blueprint for life beyond Earth. It's not just about building shelters. It's about creating livable, functional, and sustainable spaces that will define the next era of human civilization in space, turning science fiction into reality. Tiny hopping robots are revolutionizing small-scale exploration. These lightweight, agile machines move by jumping, allowing them to navigate rough and uneven terrain that wheels or legs can't handle. Inspired by insects and animals, they can hop over rocks, gaps, and obstacles, making them ideal for disaster zones, underground tunnels, or even the surfaces of the Moon and Mars. Despite their small size, some no bigger than a coin, they're packed with sensors, cameras, and even solar panels. Their simple yet powerful design allows them to operate in swarms, covering large areas, gathering data, and reaching places humans or conventional robots simply can't. These robots are not just clever gadgets. They're a new way to explore environments previously considered inaccessible. From scientific research to search and rescue missions, tiny hopping robots open up vast possibilities, proving that even the smallest machines can make a huge impact on exploration and discovery. MIT, the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, is a world leader in science, technology, and innovation, shaping the future with bold ideas and groundbreaking research. From artificial intelligence and robotics to quantum computing, clean energy, and space exploration, MIT sits at the center of the most advanced technological breakthroughs. Its campus buzzes with cutting-edge labs, visionary researchers, and students driven to tackle the world's toughest challenges. MIT teams are developing self-driving cars, launching space missions, creating life-saving medical technology, and building innovations that redefine how we live and work. With a legacy of Nobel laureates, transformative startups, and futuristic inventions, MIT has continuously pushed the boundaries of what's possible. It's more than a university. It's a launch pad for the next generation of technology and ideas, a place where curiosity meets action, and where the innovations of tomorrow are imagined, tested, and brought to life. MIT truly is where the future begins. Growl is a powerful AI boxing and fitness coach that's changing the way people train. Imagine having a smart trainer by your side 24/7, one that studies every move you make, fixes your form instantly, and motivates you like a real fight coach. With its intense Growl mode, it hypes you up and pushes you to give your absolute best. Growl tracks your punches, analyzes your footwork, and adjusts your workouts based on how you perform. Whether you're just starting out or already experienced, it builds personalized training plans designed just for you. It can even simulate virtual sparring sessions to make training more realistic and exciting. Connect it to your smartwatch or smart gloves for even more precise feedback. No gym, no problem. Train anytime, anywhere, and feel the burn like never before. This isn't just a workout. It's a full fight experience powered by AI. Welcome to the future of training. Welcome to Growl. FuninVR is changing the world of virtual reality entertainment with its powerful 9D VR simulators and immersive experiences designed for theme parks, arcades, and entertainment centers. Their attractions include exciting VR racing games, realistic flight simulators, and interactive VR cinemas that make you feel like you're inside the action. Whether it's competitive multiplayer battles or fun adventures for families, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Each experience is built to be highly engaging, easy to use, and unforgettable. By combining advanced technology with creative design, FuninVR makes virtual reality more accessible and enjoyable for people of all ages. With a strong focus on quality and innovation, the company continues to push boundaries and redefine how audiences experience VR, taking entertainment and immersion to an entirely new level. ETH Zurich is revolutionizing construction with cutting-edge 3D printing technology. Their advanced robots can print intricate steel mesh molds, which act as both formwork and reinforcement, allowing architects to create daring, sustainable concrete structures. With mobile 3D printing robots, they can build entire structures directly on-site, cutting waste and speeding up construction using their innovative eggshell technique. Thin molds are printed quickly and filled with high-performance concrete to produce precise, stunning architectural elements. Beyond construction, ETH Zurich is pushing the limits of voxel-based 3D printing, giving microscopic control for advanced robotics and electronics. This means incredibly detailed functional components can be created layer by layer with unmatched precision. From bold architectural designs to futuristic electronics, their work is shaping the next generation of building and manufacturing. With every layer, ETH Zurich is redefining what's possible, building smarter, faster, and more sustainable structures, and turning the future of construction into reality. The Eines Vision Tunnel is a groundbreaking transportation concept that could transform the way we travel. Imagine sleek, high-speed electric or maglev pods gliding through enclosed, aerodynamic tunnels. By minimizing air resistance, these tunnels allow rides that are ultra-fast, smooth, and nearly silent. Designed with safety, speed, and sustainability in mind, the system could link major cities in mere minutes, slashing travel times, easing traffic congestion, and cutting carbon emissions. The pods are powered entirely by clean energy, making this not only efficient, but environmentally friendly. Riding through an Eines Vision Tunnel would feel like stepping into the future. Travel that's lightning fast, seamless, and smart. This vision redefines modern transportation, offering a sci-fi-like experience that's both practical and sustainable. With the potential to revolutionize commuting and long-distance travel, the Eines Vision Tunnel is more than an idea. It's a glimpse into a faster, cleaner, and smarter world of mobility. A 300mm wafer fab is at the heart of modern chipmaking, producing the tiny processors that power smartphones, computers, cars, and even AI systems. Using large 300mm silicon wafers, these cutting-edge facilities can manufacture thousands of microchips at once, making production faster, more efficient, and more cost-effective than older 200mm fabs. Inside ultra-clean, high-tech environments, robotic systems and precision tools guide each wafer through hundreds of intricate steps, from photolithography to etching, building circuits so small they're tinier than a strand of DNA. Every step is carefully controlled to ensure flawless chips that meet the demands of today's advanced technology. These billion-dollar fabs are the backbone of the global tech ecosystem, enabling innovations like 5G networks, AI applications, and self-driving cars. More than just factories, 300mm wafer fabs are where the future of technology is crafted layer by layer, shaping the devices and systems that define our modern world.